We're asking parents and family members who are buying gifts to ensure that they check and double check the quality of the toy, ensure that there are no sharp edges, no loose, small parts. So you're buying a teddy bear for a pre-toddler. Make sure it doesn't have any removable eyes that can be bitten off and swallowed by the child, etc. And for the adults, it's also to ensure that what you're buying, you buy from a reputable establishment. Ensure that you ask for a warranty. Ensure that the warranty includes whether or not it includes labor, if there's a limited time period, how much is required to be invested by the consumer in order to replace that item, repair that item, and or get your refund. We also think about the safety of the consumer online. And so what we want to ask you to do is to ensure that you look for the key things. Go online, go into the search engine, type the name of the store, look for that green padlock and HTTPS, remember that S, before you start entering your banking information. The major block of complaints that the Consumer Affairs Commission gets is on electrical equipment. So we're saying to consumers, test that item when you buy it in the store. Look for that UL stamp on the cord to ensure that it's not some fly-by-night wiring. Ensure that when you plug it in, it doesn't spark. We're also asking that you ask for a written warranty for that item before you leave the store. Consumer protection is about collective security, collective concern, collective advocacy. So we're asking you look out for each other, you ensure that your family is safe, your neighbor is safe, your community is safe, and that the products and the foods and all the things that you intend to consume over the holidays are also safe. So call us, email, write, walk in. We'll be ready to assist for any concern that you may have or any doubts that you may have about any transaction that you have encountered in the marketplace.